Hi, I'm Jessica, Outreach Coordinator with the Freshwater Fisheries Society of BC. Now, it's important to know the regulations for the water body that you plan on fishing before you even go. Regulations are in place to help manage our freshwater fisheries and to protect species of special concern. Now, sometimes you can pick up a hard copy of these at licensing vendors such as tackle shops, but they're always available online. A great place to look is our website, GoFishBC.com, on our How to Fish page. Now, on the How to Fish page, there is also a fishing license and regulation button. The first thing you want to familiarize yourself with are the provincial regulations. We have a link to them right here. Now, these are 13 pages of the provincial regulations for freshwater fisheries here in BC. They cover things like invasive species, licensing requirements, size limits, how to handle your catch. You're going to want to read all 13 of these pages. Next, you kind of need to decide where you plan to go fishing. So say today I plan to fish in Logan Lake. That's in Region 3 of our province in the Thompson. So I'm going to click that there. This takes me to Thompson's regional regulations. Now there's a couple of key contacts in here. The Fish and Wildlife Regional Office. This is who manages our freshwater fisheries. Their contact information is listed here. The RAP line is also listed because the Conservation Officer Service is who enforces the fisheries here in BC. Now the next page here will give you the regional specific regulations. You'll find the quotas and the regional restrictions in here. The next page are the exceptions to the regional regs. If your lake is not listed in here, just follow the provincial and regional regulations. Now the lakes in here are listed alphabetical, so I'm going to take a look for Logan Lake. Now Logan Lake is listed right here. It does have some exceptions. There is a rainbow trout limit of only 2 in this lake and electric motors only. Now Logan Lake does have some great ice fishing, but there is an aeration system. So there's just a warning placed in here that the ice thickness could be a concern. Now this little fish here also tells you that this is a stocked lake. So you can head back to our website and our stocking reports will tell you what type of fish are in there, what size, when it was stocked, all that great information. Now there's one more place that you need to look before you can go fishing, and that is for in-season regulation changes. There was a link right there. Now I'm going to check out Region 3 again because I'm fishing in Logan Lake. And for this lake, there are no in-season changes. So I feel pretty confident with the provincial, regional, and in-season changes of Logan Lake, and I'm ready to go fishing.